In today's video, I am going to teach you how to display volume with moving average in Tradingview. Start by opening your chart in Tradingview, so you are looking at the price action you care about. Now add the volume bars. At the top of the chart, click the Indicators, Metrics and Strategies button. In the search box, type volume and select the default built fade-in volume indicator. You'll see a new pane appear below your price chart with colored bars that represent trading volume for each bar or candle. Next, let's turn on the moving average for those volume bars. On the volume pane, look for the indicator label in the top left of that pane. Hover over it and click the gear icon to open the settings. If you don't see the gear at first, moving your cursor over the label usually reveals it. In the Settings window, go to the Style tab. Find the option labeled Volume A and check the box to enable it. A line will appear across the volume bars. This is your volume moving average. You can customize how it looks here. Choose a color that stands out against your background, so the line is easy to see at a glance. You can also switch the plot type between line and area. A line keeps things crisp and minimal. An area can make the trend more pronounced if you prefer a bolder look. Now switch over to the Inputs tab to adjust how the average is calculated. Look for mal length. This number is the count of bars used to compute the average, and the default is often 20. Increase the length if you want a smoother line that highlights longer-term volume trends and filters out short fade-term noise. Decrease the length if you want a more responsive line that reacts quickly to the most recent volume changes. Here is no single right answer. Pick a number that matches your trading timeframe and the level of sensitivity you need. You can type the number directly or use the arrows to nudge it up or down and watch how the line updates in real time. That's it. Thanks for watching.